What's up, YouTube? It's Avienne here, and today we have a reaction video for Fit for an Autopsy Hostage. I've been a fan for Fit for an Autopsy for a while now. I love their album. Oh, What the Future Holds is one of my gym staples, and I'm so excited for their next album, The Nothing That Is. This is the current music video and single that they have out right now, and it's one of my favorites, and I am so excited to react to it today. So let's hop in. Okay, I'm gonna stop there already. I love how it starts off, like where everyone comes in at the same time, just with that scream. That's just, oh, it's gonna be heavy because it's not just the scream and everyone coming in, but they're already punching you with that groove. So the moment it starts, you're already headbanging. At least I am, and I know you are with me too. So let's keep playing it. Oh my goodness. I love this so much so far. And look at Joe Bad's hair. Like, it's already so wet. I think he's just sweating from all that hit banging and all that groove. Because it's I okay, so just talk about the production here. I love the way that they produced and mixed these vocals. In the past albums, it was a little bit more in the front of the mix. I think this one is kind of a little bit more embedded into the mix. It sounds a bit smoother. It sounds a bit more modern. I love the sound of modern metal, and it's really like just another instrument, and everyone is kind of on, well, kind of on the same level, but we're still really, really like the guitars. I think that's where that's what shines in this mix because it's so heavy, and I love that tone. It's just so so punchy. Do they also have like Slenderman before he became Slenderman? Is this the Slenderman origin story that we're watching here? Love the black and white in this. It's so dark. It reminds me of those like old Hollywood movies, but brutal and heavy and metal. Oh, that high scream. I love what Fit for an Autopsy does when their grooves and their riffs. It sounds like, okay, to my plebeian ears, it doesn't seem like it's that technical, but I actually did try learning a couple of their songs. I tried playing the Two Towers, and it's really intricate, and I really love when bands do that, where it's something really intricate, but it just their groove is, it's still something that's so groovable, and I really like that. And also this hook, when I first listened to this song, I could not get this hook up out of my head. And I really love metal that does that, because there's a lot of metal where you listen to it and it's a vibe, but then once you stop listening to it, it's like, okay, what did I listen to? But Fit for an Autopsy, they have a lot of hooks, and it just makes me want to return to it. That's why I love this track so much. Spider. Dangerous. Oh no! Blunt force trauma. I love the mixiness. If you can like hear, there's like a underlying like noodles under it all, and it's so cool. Like they have the rhythm guitarist playing, and then there's like noodles. Noodles. I really like that, and I also like how they're implementing the lyrics of the song in the video, because the line here is heavy as a stone of sorrow, and as the music video is going along, you can see the weight, bearing that weight of the stone of sorrow. It's just getting heavier and heavier, and oh man, even when I was like holding my chest earlier, I could feel my heart beating, because it's so emotional, it's so raw, it's so dark. I love it. I love shit like this. That's so cool. Very strong. Okay, I love this part. Frodo, I got you, Frodo. It's the last part of the video is just it's Sam trying to save Frodo from the waters. Oh man, I love that so much. I am so excited for their next album, The Nothing That Is. This is just the only single that came out so far, and it's so promising. I'm definitely watching. I'm excited. I love this so much. So that was my reaction for Fit for an Autopsy's new single, Hostage, from The Nothing That Is. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Bye.